Just need to exhale. I just need to exhale.
What up, world? It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns, and you are looking at what was my Android 10.1 hookup. I get so many questions about it, so I just want to help some people real quick. What I got going on is my backup camera came in the mail, so now I can sit everything flush and bring it down some so it sits in where I want it to sit in. Okay, so anyway, first things first, all the way back there on the back, you see that metal bracket? My GPS, I know you can't see it, but my GPS is resting on that metal. Do not put that on your dashboard, okay? Because then you're sending it straight up to that right there, and that's gonna block you. When you put it on that metal is grounded to the car. The car itself is bigger than the damn garage, or heavier than the garage. It then makes this whole car able to receive and do everything it's supposed to do as far as GPS goes. And when you're at the gas station, it doesn't cut out on you. So moving along, okay, as you can see, I don't have a harness clip, but you're going to use your harness clip. Okay, do not cut this off ever. But whoever had this decided they was going to cut behind it anyway, so I can have it clipped or I can have it the way it is. All right, so from there everything is color coded. All right, everything is color coded. If you are having problems with your audio, I don't know what you did wrong. Okay, the things that I'm not using, this key 1 and key 2, these two, and antenna continuous. Okay, key 1 and key 2 is for your steering wheel. I don't have steering wheel buttons. Okay, do not ask me about steering wheel buttons. Do you see steering wheel buttons? These are just stickers, man. I don't even know why I got them up there. I just got them up there. They can actually come off and go in the trash or something. Anyway, now a lot of people keep talking about how they're not getting these lights on the side to light up. Here's the problem with that. Okay, you have ACC, which is your power wire. Okay, this is when you turn the car on. Your red wire, your B plus is for battery plus, which goes to your red wire. And your illumination, which is orange, it goes to your red wire. So all of I know you're like, why are you yelling? So all three of these, can you see them? 1, 2, and 3 are on the red wire. Okay, no doubt about it. There's no doubt about this is on the red wire. All three of these. Okay, red wire, not this bright ass red one, but the red one back there, the red one that clips onto this. The harness that you buy, red wire. All three of them, red wire. Red wire. If you want the lights to light up on the side of your unit, red wire. All three. Ground is ground. Let's go straight to the black. I do not try to go in there and put it on that little lug nut back. None of that bullshit. Black. Black to black. These three that power it, red wire only. Okay? Now, here's a brown wire for your backup camera. Here's my backup wire right there. I need to, that's what I'm here for. I'm doing this right now. So when this video goes off, I'm going to take this right here with that. Not here, but actually with its own set of tape. Let me plug my phone up before it goes out, because I wanted to do this pretty fast, and yeah, as you can see, it's not going to work out. All right, anyway, this is an antenna, so don't worry about that. This is some extra bullshit that's somewhere else that somebody wanted to ground into the ground wire, so they did it. Now, right here, the only thing I'm using on here is the RCA's out, RCA's out, RCA's out. Now, what you could do is you can choose whatever RCA that you want, and it can go to subwoofer, which is green. But since I have two wires and I didn't feel like just using one, it's RCA out. Audio out left and audio out right. That's what that says. Red and white. All right, right here, this pink, powder pink, This goes to your amp wire. It goes, come make you an amp wire. Hello, make you an amp wire and run that bitch all the way to the back. And you're gonna put this, see how I got this blue wire? That's amp wire. But I got it into this pink wire, okay? Into the pink wire. So run that all the way back to your amp. All right? You shouldn't have any more questions about how to do anything. If yours is not like this, go redo it. That's why your lights on the side don't work. Again, you heard me over and over and over again. All three of these wires right here, red, orange, yellow, go to the red wire on your harness. Or look here, look, no bullshit, no bullshit. Behind your clip, there's a red wire, okay? The black wire is your ground wire, but that's a red wire right there. See how the yellow is touching that red and it's coming all the way out here? So in theory, this is my red wire. All right, all three of these, no matter what, go to your red wire. It just happens to stay battery plus. Okay? Now, there is a system remote control. I don't have it. I didn't use it. Okay? Again, the GPS is right there on that metal. Or I could have put it on that metal back there and had it sitting straight up and down. But I wanted to have it flat. You see it now? You see the GPS wire? Boom. So I ran everything else down the side and it's ready to be re-hooked back up. And then I can go to my I can go to the back of the car and start doing the backup camera. But what I'm gonna work on right now is seeing how I'm gonna get this to sit flush. I want to sit flush in there, touching the dash. All right, when I come back, all that'll be done. One.
Just need to exhale.